Goeiedag, is Mission Mike. So in this video, I just wanted to share one of the things that I'm doing to kind of help myself immerse into the Irish language. Let's get started. So every weekend on Saturday, I've been getting my hair cut, and my barber is hella good. And I've been getting an Ogham pattern in the side, which is an old Irish way of writing. It's, I think, around 2,000 years old, and they used to write it around the edge of rocks, and there would be a line going through the middle, and the letters are notched into it. And so this actually means love, or grach. So my tip for you for learning Irish, or any other language, is to really find ways every day to immerse yourself into it. And I've been doing stuff like watching YouTube videos or watching the news in Irish and doing stuff like this. It's really anything that can help you feel a little bit more Irish. Comment down below with some of the tips that you use to learn a new language or even a new skill. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe. I share videos like this every week. Slán go fóill, goodbye for now.